Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to make a sambar rice using millet. Millets are generally healthy and it is a best alternative to rice. In this video we are going to make this sambar rice as a one-pot recipe. For this I have heated up a pressure cooker and I have added 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil is now hot. To this add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds gives nice flavor to the rice, and I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of asafoetida, and then little curry leaves and 1 slit green chili. I've chopped 1 onion into big pieces and I'm adding it now. Instead of onion you can also use shallots, which gives nice taste. Let's saute the onion for around 30 seconds. And then I'm adding 1 big chopped tomatoes. If you're using a small tomato, you need to add 2 numbers. Saute till the tomatoes turn softer. It's been sauteed for a minute now. It's time to add the vegetables. Today I'm going to add a bell pepper, brinjal and carrot. However, you can add any vegetables as per your choice, like potatoes, green beans, drumsticks, green peas, everything. So once you add the vegetables, saute them well for a minute in the oil so that it tastes good. Now add 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder. You can increase the quantity of sambar powder as per your taste. Mix well and let it cook till the raw smell of sambar powder goes off completely. This is very important to get a nice and tasty sambar rice. Let it cook for at least a minute. It's been almost a minute now. The raw smell has completely gone, and next step is to add the tamarind extract. I have soaked a small gooseberry size of tamarind in little water and then I have extracted the tamarind juice out of it. Let's add it to the mixture and bring it to boil till the raw smell of tamarind goes off. It shouldn't take too long, probably around 10 to 15 seconds should be enough. Now it's time to add the dal and rice mixture. I have taken 1/2 cup of little millet and 1/4 cup of tur dal. I've taken it in a bowl, washed it and I've soaked it for 30 minutes, drained the water. Now I'm going to add it to the pressure cooker. Instead of little millet, you can use any other millets of your preference. Say for example, you can use foxtail millet or kodo millet or even barnyard millet. The choice is completely yours. Just follow the similar recipe and use the millet that you have in stock. So after adding the millets and dal mixture, give it a good mix and add the salt to taste. Mix it again, and for 1 cup of millet you should add 5 cups of water. So I have taken 1/2 cup of millet, so I'm going to add 2.5 cups of water, because the consistency of this sambar rice should be little loose, so you have to add this much amount of water to get that consistency. So it's all done. Mix it well and close the pressure cooker. Once the steam is out, put on the weight and cook it in medium flame for around 6 to 7 whistles, because you have to cook it really well to get the nice consistency. So let's wait and see after it's done. So the pressure is being released now. Let's open and see. Wow, it smells really nice. Look at the consistency. It has to be like this. So as it cools down, it becomes little thicker, so we need to have this kind of consistency. So that's it, we are almost done. It's one of the simple and healthy one-pot millet recipes. Do try this at home, and it's very easy to make and it will be a perfect lunchbox recipe as well. Before finishing it off, to make this even tastier, I'm going to add little chopped coriander leaves and 2 teaspoons full of ghee. Adding these 2 ingredients towards the end really enhances the taste of this recipe, so make sure you don't miss it when you try it at home. And that's all. Give it a good mix and it's all ready to serve. Our tasty and healthy little millet sambar rice is now ready. Do give it a try at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.